You go shopping at people's backyards.
Sean Lenahan shutting his stuff. Woo!
Like this. Oh, this is nice. Oh,
What's up with the bag? Get the hell up. Do not pull my pocketbook. I'll kick your ass. I'm gonna chase him.
Get him.
Sean, don't go that far because my freaking thing is retarded.
Where's my prince?
Come back here!
Where's my prince? Wait, are there pegs on the back? No.
That's my dog barking. You can hear him.
Where's my prince?
Okay, I think we're done videotaping him now.
Let it in. Do not drop my bag! I'll be yours.
I wanted to buy it. I mean, I can't even ride with his shirt on.
He gets up when that happens.
There you go.
Say bye.
Bye.